Welcome to GunaDecor Ideas, where we explore innovative interior design concepts that inspire creativity in your home. Today, we're diving into the timeless world of brutalist minimalism, a bold and raw aesthetic that transforms industrial elements into breathtaking living spaces. Stay tuned to learn how you can create your own minimalist brutalist living room that's both stunning and functional. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us bring you more amazing content. Brutalist minimalism is a design philosophy that combines the unapologetically raw textures of brutalism with the clean, uncluttered approach of minimalism. Think exposed concrete walls, minimalist furniture, and an emphasis on simplicity and functionality. This style embraces imperfection, transforming rugged materials into a harmonious and sophisticated living environment. Concrete is the backbone of brutalist interiors. Its raw, textured surface brings a unique sense of depth and character to any room. From polished floors to statement walls, concrete acts as a versatile canvas that can be left bare or complemented with subtle accents. In a minimalist brutalist living room, concrete is more than just a building material, it's a design statement. Natural light plays a crucial role in softening the starkness of brutalist design. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows, skylights, or glass walls flood the space with daylight, creating a balance between raw materials and warmth. This infusion of light transforms what could feel cold into a vibrant and inviting living area. When selecting furniture, opt for clean lines, neutral tones, and functionality. Low-profile seating, like a modern gray sofa or a sleek black armchair, blend seamlessly with the brutalist aesthetic. Choose pieces that enhance the simplicity of the space without overwhelming it. Brutalist minimalism thrives on industrial details. Think metal beams, exposed ductwork, and steel accents. These elements echo the raw aesthetic of brutalism while adding an edgy, industrial touch to the space. Incorporate them subtly to maintain a cohesive, minimalist look. To prevent the space from feeling too stark, layer textures thoughtfully. Introduce soft textiles like a neutral-toned area rug or cozy cushions. Use natural wood or leather accents to create a balance between the ruggedness of concrete and the warmth of organic materials. Lighting isn't just functional in a brutalist minimalist living room, it's a key design element. Opt for industrial pendant lights, exposed bulbs, or sleek LED strips that highlight the architectural features of the space. Proper lighting enhances the room's dramatic and welcoming appeal. Brutalism doesn't mean sacrificing personality. Add carefully chosen artwork, such as large abstract pieces or sculptures, that complement the minimalist vibe. Keep decor simple but impactful to let the architectural features and materials take center stage. Declutter ruthlessly and keep the space open and airy. Every piece in a minimalist brutalist living room should have a purpose, whether it's functional or aesthetic. Avoid over-decorating to maintain the clean, striking appeal of the style. Designing a minimalist brutalist living room is all about finding beauty in simplicity and rawness. By combining concrete elements with thoughtful touches of light, texture, and functionality, you can create a timeless space that's as inviting as it is striking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to GunaDecor ideas for more inspiring interior design content. We'd love to hear how you'd incorporate brutalist minimalism into your home.